take this overboard now. I want you to
It's better. Ooh. Skin, come through skin. Ignore my lashes. I need to get a feel. But anyways, what's up, YouTube? I don't think I have formally introduced. Let's do this again. What's up, YouTube? I don't think I have formally introduced myself to my channel yet, so that's what I'm doing here today. I basically just haven't shown my face in any of my videos yet. So I just wanted to come on. I feel like put a face to the voice. My name is Diavion. I'm gonna pronounce it out for you guys if you guys don't know. Diavion. Diavion. But yeah, that's me, and I am a custom shoe designer. I create and make custom shoes for Air Force Ones, Nike Dunks, and Crocs. Actually, I got a pair of Crocs right here that I've done. I'm gonna show y'all. Ah! These are so cute on camera. Y'all, okay, anyways, these are the Crocs that I've done. They are so cute. But I've done some Crocs. I do Nike Dunk lows, and Air Force Ones, as you guys already know, because most of my videos will be on Air Force Ones. But yeah, so I am a custom shoe designer. I customize shoes, and so far so good. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok, I feel like a majority of you guys are probably gonna come from TikTok or come from my Instagram. So if you don't, you can go ahead and follow me on TikTok. It's at All Things Diavion. And then my Instagram for my business is at She2 Custom. And that's the name of my business. My custom shoe business is She2 Custom. So I create, I try to answer a lot of the questions and anything you guys might want to know about customizing shoes on my YouTube channel. I'm basically recording, and then I do like voiceovers of me talking on how to do what I'm doing in the video. Now this is how it's gonna go, but yeah, so that's me. Yeah, y'all, skin's glowing, a girl's happy, things are going good. So I just wanted to come on here and formally introduce myself. Not that y'all care, but maybe y'all do care because I'm cute. But yeah, this YouTube channel is basically going to be filled with how-to videos, how to do certain techniques and certain things when it comes to customizing shoes, and also full tutorial videos on how I create certain shoes. So like the process of creating like many of my popular shoes that I've created. I probably won't do every shoe, but like shoes that are more popular that people like the most, I will do a video on from start to beginning on how I customize those shoes, and then simple how-to tutorials on like different techniques, like how to add rope laces to custom Air Force Ones, which that video is already up, and customize Air Force Ones Bape edition. Those are some custom Bapes. So basically that video is me showing you from start to beginning and how I customized the Air Force Ones to get them to look like the Bape pattern, like the end result. That's basically what this channel is going to be about. It's going to be a all-to guide on how to customize Air Force Ones for anyone that's wanting to customize their own shoes, anyone that's wanting to start their own business, anyone that's just wanting to watch and you want to order some shoes by me. This is my website right here. You can do that too. So yeah, that's basically what my channel is going to be about. If you guys have any other videos that you want to see from me and my personal experience on starting a business, starting this particular business, and what I did, like as far as creating my website and all that, how I went about it, then definitely comment or let me know and I will get on that. So basically that's what my channel is going to be about. And today's video, what I'm creating this intro for, is going to be on how to create some custom Bape Air Force Ones. And these are the bad boys that we got here that I'm going to be showing y'all a tutorial. Custom shoes. And this video is going to be from start to finish, how I customized and created this end look to create these custom Bape Air Force Ones. And they are so cute. I'm obsessed with them. And the tips, tricks, tools that I use to get this look. Yeah, so that's what this video is about, and we're gonna get into it. If you guys want to see more videos on how I create shoes and the techniques that I use to do certain things when it comes to creating custom shoes, so like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button to see more videos and more tutorials from me. And if you don't already, be sure to follow me on TikTok, because a lot of the videos that I do and a lot of shoes that I do come from TikTok. So if you want a specific shoe that I've done on there, you guys can comment on there and I'll make sure to make a YouTube video for that. So yeah, and we are about to get into the video. All right, getting straight into it, the first thing we're gonna be doing is removing the swoosh off of the Air Force Ones. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't even know this was a thing until I started customizing shoes, and I kind of like, actually, it comes in handy. But I'm taking the end of my X-Acto knife and I'm using that to get right behind the seams of the swoosh, and I'm just taking my X-Acto knife and cutting the seams of the thread from behind the swoosh. It's pretty self-explanatory, but basically I'm taking my knife and going like right underneath the seams and just cutting the thread, and it really comes off really easily. It's really not that hard, but I'm going all the way back and taking the swoosh completely off. So as you can kind of tell, as I'm getting further along, I'm just pulling the swoosh back and I'm taking my X-Acto knife and just gliding it across the thread. And since the X-Acto knife is so sharp, it easily just starts to rip. It's really simple. So now I'm going to take a pair of tweezers and basically just pull off all that extra excess thread that's still on the shoe. So now we have two pair of Air Forces that we completely taken off the swoosh. So for this next step, I'm basically taking my acrylic paint and my fabric medium and creating like a washable liquidy consistency so that way I'm able to dye the shoe. To this step, I just suggest adding enough fabric medium until the paint becomes so runny that it just seams right into the shoe. Now I'm going to be taking my Bape pattern stencil stickers that I created on this website. I'll have the link below, but basically I just went on Google, looked up Bape stencils, and then I uploaded that picture onto the website, and then they sent me stickers for that. This step, I'm going to be taking my stickers and just placing them in different places inside of the shoe, and this is how we're going to create the pattern on the inside of the shoe. So as you can see, I placed my sticker. I already did one. You can see I did like the gorilla, but I'm just placing my sticker, and then I'm taking a paintbrush and just tracing the outlines of the sticker. So it's really self-explanatory. This was actually really easy, more easier than I expected it to turn out being. I was expecting to have to do something crazy, but ended up being very easy. So as you can see, I'm just going along the lines of the sticker and just basically tracing to get that outline. So once I have traced my outline, I'm going to remove the sticker, And the best way that I recommend painting the inside is using a Q-tip. This was the best method for me to fill in the outline. I basically just took my Q-tip, dipped it in the paint, and just dabbed it onto the shoe. Because the consistency of the paint, I didn't use fabric painting medium to make it all liquidy, so it's still very like a good thick amount, like regular paint. So it was hard to like rub it in. So I basically just used my Q-tip to dab it in. And I did this about maybe like 2 or 3 times to get like a perfect, like good like amount. So yeah, I'll say I did about like 2 or 3 layers of these. In between layers, I let it dry, and I would go over it again just so it could be bold. So yeah, so this is like a close-up of me tracing the sticker, the outlines of the sticker, and then going in and filling it in. So I just continued to do this all on the inside of the shoes, just placing the sticker randomly to create that Bape pattern. So now we are adding the swoosh, which personally was my favorite part. I love this swoosh. And I'm basically just using a mixture between, you can use either E6000 glue or crazy glue, whatever you decide. I use crazy glue because my patience E6000 glue would have took forever to dry, and the swoosh is really thick. So if you're really good at sewing, you have a sewing machine, you can also sew it down, but it's really thick. So I just glued it down, and yeah, so this is me just pressing it down and placing it on the shoe. I'm going to try and link the Instagram in the description box where I got the swoosh from. I got it off of an Instagram. They don't have a website, but their Instagram is basically called Ghost Fabrics. And you basically DM them. He'll post like a bunch of different fabrics and swooshes, and you just send it to him, DM him, and you Cash App him. Pretty simple, pretty easy. It came really fast, but I'll try to add that in the description. And if you have Instagram, then his ad was just Ghost Fabrics. But yeah, I'm just going along the swoosh and just pressing it down, making sure the glue dries and stays in place. So I'm just pressing it along the sides, holding it down, and yeah. So now I'm just going in and lacing the shoes back up, and yeah, it's super easy.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Better fucking something. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up.